when you're feeling low, lost in the dark, and all hope seems to be falling apart. Just remember there's a spark inside of you, a fire burning bright, waiting to break through. Yeah. Rise up, illuminate, let your spirit soar. You're a shooting star, forever so much more. Don't you let the world dim your glowing light. Let an inspiration ignite your inner fire.
Hey Inspirers, welcome back to another vlog. So today we have an event in the university which is a medical trivia. There are going to be quizzes and games for the students. So I decided to participate in the quiz and you guys are going to be joining me in the quiz session. So right now it is 2 o'clock and I have to still prepare a little bit. I haven't really studied so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch a few videos on the topics because I don't really have that much of time that I will be able to go through all of my notes and everything. So watching videos is the best thing that I can do because as a medical student and also that I'm a final year medical student, I have developed this capability of understanding all of the things that the teacher says at a 2x speed. So let's begin studying because I have to get ready in like 1.5 to 2 hours. So let's begin. So I'm almost done with most of my studying. I hope I remember all of the studying that I've done, but now it's time for me to leave. So I'm quickly going to get ready and then I'll see you. So finally I'm all ready. I have done a little bit of makeup, that is only kajal and some mascara and a little bit of lipstick. I have worn this formal t-shirt, formal shirt which is not mine actually, it's my dad's, and I have to tied my hair just like how I tie it every day. And now I'm ready to leave. So let's go. So it's 4:30 right now, and you can see how dark it is. It's much more darker than what you can see through the camera, and it's only 4:30. And this is the only reason that I don't really like this weather because it gets dark so early. And right now the winter season haven't started properly like how we've experienced for the past 5 years, like knee-high snow and everything. There's no snow at all still. This is how much snow you can see right now. I don't think it is going to snow this year, but I'm going to go fast now because it's quite cold and also I need to reach there on time. I'll see you once I reach the university. So I'm almost at the university and I'll just go inside quickly, keep my jacket, wear my white coat because we aren't allowed inside without the white coat, and I'll see you in the room. So now let me explain to you what happened in the medical trivia. I have muted all of this because there was quite a chaos because this was the first time someone had arranged this. So we were divided into groups and each group consisted of students from the second year until the sixth year. In my group there was me, a fifth year student, two third year students and two fourth year students. So it was quite a team and we had quite a lot of fun. The first round was about a patient coming to us and we had to ask questions and diagnose what the patient had and give the correct answer while explaining how we got to the diagnosis, what questions we asked, and how patient we were while asking the questions. The second round was a rapid fire round where there were questions that were put up on the screen for 15 seconds. We had to see the question, read it, write the answer on a sheet of paper, and then answer those. The third round was also quite nice. It was MCQs which we had to answer like in a minute. And we had quite a lot of fun during this session. I didn't wait until the end because it was quite late, and that is why I don't have the clips of the certification ceremony. So we are finally done with the quiz. We didn't really win, but we had quite a lot of fun. There were a lot of things. The first was there was a student who became a patient for us, and we had to take the diagnosis from him. Like we had to ask him the questions, and then we had to like diagnose what the patient has and everything. So we did that. Then there was a rapid fire round where we had to answer within 15 seconds. Like we had to read the question and answer just in 15 seconds. And the third round was also quite fun. It was like MCQ questions which we had to get right, and we were done with that. Also, there were three teams that got the same points, so there was a tiebreaker within them also, and it was quite a lot of fun. It was the first time that we had such an experience, but it's okay. We There are times when we lose, and there are times when we win. This wasn't our time, so it's fine. And now I'm going to end this vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next week. Until then, bye bye, and keep inspiring.